On October 28, 2018, Tianma Precision Industry, Zhongshan Company Limited, 1,415 kilowatts on-grid solar systems was successfully installed by Namkoo Power. Guangdong Namkoo Power Company Limited takes the lead in advocating the technology integrations of photovoltaic, internet, artificial intelligence in the sub-industry, and its business covers photovoltaic, energy storage, central cooling, and energy plus. Since its establishment in 2013, the marketing network was covered all regions in China and many countries such as Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and South America. It provides leading green energy and smart information applications, one-stop solutions for government agencies, institutions, enterprise, operators, individuals, and other groups, and is a leading clean energy service provider in China.